What's good, YouTube? It's Lex on Point from Wavy Creatures, and it's fucking 6 in the morning. So I'm headed right now to New York City, barbercon. Y'all know what's up. I'm gonna link with Spin City Drew, Too Nice June, Top Waivers, some other waivers, you know, because waivers show love. The event will be held in Queens, New York, and I think it starts from 2 to 9 or some shit like that, but I'm tired of shit. I swear to God, I'm not trying to edit this too much. But yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of my day here or there. Put it together. There's your vlog. Alright? My waves look crazy. I need a cut, but I'm a woof, I think, 2 more weeks. Then I'm gonna cut this bitch. But about to get in the whip. And I'm gonna see y'all later. No waves. I don't got no waves. Don't ask about no waves. But Drew though.
Oh yeah, my shit just ragged up, nigga.
But Drew, you see them through the silky. Come on, bro. But I don't got no waves. Stop asking.
Work. Like all those other jobs, you have to have.
3706.
Alright, right now, we in the towel. We macking before we head out to barbercon. I'm in June in the cut. You're.
Yo, my nigga, I'm
Yo.
this shit right now for.
Hop over here.
Yo, what's happening?
What's
happening? Yo, I just
Talk to him, Drew.
Whole lot of gang shit. Yo, for now on, y'all niggas don't check in when y'all come to New York, my nigga, I'm running down on y'all niggas, yo. Let them be known, son.
Yo, I just talked this shit right now.
So, my guy said, if you do not come to New York and check in with one of us,
Oh, that's a fact. You better check in, man.
check in season, boy.
Check in.
But y'all peep the cut. Oh, you can't even see the lighting kind of track. Alright. Yeah. We just got to the knockdown center. We going inside. June right there. Okay. We out here. Early. We're gonna show you more later though.
Just received was so amazing. I think we need to bring up another.
I've got a question for you guys, because obviously you've come all the way from the Netherlands. So obviously showcase here in New York City. So what's the kind of trends that are happening in the Netherlands at the moment? I mean, do you find people are having like low tapers?
Yes, the tapers are quite in, but they also prefer long hair.
Get out again, bro.
Dude got the barber like
About 6 foot.
Why they doing me like this?
Listen, I'm about like a whole foot taller than you, Jeezy.
But Jeezy fly though.
You go on his page.
Hold on. That's why you text.
Yo, bro. Nah, look. Look at Drew. We got Drew. We got Bobby. Bobby in here. Yeah, we all on camera. Yeah. Everybody out here.
Went to work in a barber competition and we gotta support our students. He's amazing. He's off the chain, he's off the hook. Brother, please tell me, what did it take? How were you afraid? Was this your first competition? And was this something big for you to come to New York City?
We out here.
Listen, wavy creatures. Something that y'all need to understand. That y'all got a good person running y'all page. But what y'all about to witness is right now something that's rated R/PG-13.
I don't think they realize what just happened there, Jeezy. Angles. Yeah, Jeezy. Talk your talk, Jeezy.
I don't think they hear me.
I just did a regular fade. I didn't do nothing too fancy. I was thinking about doing the design, but I just
stylish and show like a hybrid of a skin fade with like razor texture work. I call that the Rikers Island razor fade. Like, when I use the razor with the comb, we call it the Rikers Island method to get the razor and the comb. But basically, it's just putting a lot of time.
So you know what it is. It's 2 Nights June coming to you live in this motherfucking shit right here. Knockdown Center. We got Wavy Creases with me. I got Spin City Drew with me. We had everybody that's anybody in that bitch. And yo, if you're not fucking with Wavy Creases, man, what the fuck are you really doing? You heard? You seen what the fuck happened today. You seen who was here. Stop playing. Like, subscribe, tell a barber, tell a friend, tell a waver, tell your mother, tell your auntie. Nah, don't tell your auntie. Nah, tell your fucking auntie.
Talk your shit, Drew.
So, you know.
First off, can you explain to them why you do rags like that?
Like this?
Yeah, like the way you tie it.
Nigga, I tie it over.
First off, you have a poppin' ass haircut.
Yeah, talk your talk, girl. Talk your talk. You supposed to say, as I should. As I should.
Back to the video.
Back to the video. So, you know, tell everyone I don't want no lines in my fucking waves. I don't want no forks. I don't want none of that shit. So I dropped my little thing right here, no freaky, and that shit over my ears. You wanna know why? Cause I can still hear the hate. No.
Hey, get him, Drew.
So, I had to pull up today. So, I had to pull up barbercon. You know, I don't even do these shits, my nigga. Low key, I'm type Hollywood. I just stay in the shop and get to the bread. But you know, I had my wave started tingling, and I'm like, yo. Someone ain't check in today, my nigga. The fuck? I ain't get no hit or no nothing. My wave just started tingling. I said, you know, I got a feeling there's somebody in town, my nigga, and somebody didn't fucking check in. So I pulled up here, came through like, I turn around, waves just started tingling again. I'm like, oh shit, what the fuck? Who is it? Turn around, who I see? This nigga Jeezy. I said, yo, my nigga, yo. You checked in, I had to come run the nigga pockets down and shit like that, my nigga. I don't play that shit, nigga. Yo, if you pull up in my city and you do not fucking check in, my nigga, I will run down on you, son. I'm going to run down. My waves should be tingling, my nigga. Feel me? But nah, today was a good day. Chilled out. Lex, June pulled up, you know. SM Dub all day, you feel me? No West Side shit, my nigga. And we had fun. Niggas kicked it, caught my, yo, make sure, yo. I had to come through, light fit. You know what I'm saying? I don't keep my shits like this. My high waters ain't, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Sure my waters be high. I'm freaky. And if your barber don't got a bevel to fucking cut your hair, my nigga, son, yo, quit that nigga. You feel me? Don't get it twisted. I throw the button up on. I can talk bro with the best of them and be like, oh, gee, Williker, sir. Then we give it to the hood to get to the hood gutter shit, my nigga. Yo, holla at me, yo. Spin City Drew, yo. Come on.
So you know what it is. June already told y'all what to do. Like, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Alright? Thank you for watching the vlog, and I'll see you on the next video.